So I just got back from Sam's Club. Let me show you what I got. We got some flanking style short ribs, some prime ribeyes marked down, and 2 briskets. So this one is 13 pounds. The other one is like 11 pounds. I want to show you guys what I look for in a brisket. And no, the brisket doesn't have to bend or fold. I'm almost always gonna buy choice. 13 to 15 pounds, that's kind of the sweet spot. Now, I'm always gonna buy a full pack of brisket, but let me show you the most important thing that I look for. Flat to be as even across the board as possible. Hardest part of the brisket to cook, to finish, to nail, and so I make sure the flat is as even as possible. That way, if my cook is running a little longer, there's less chances of the edges burning, right? You're gonna have a more even cook. The rest of the stuff, folding your brisket in half and all that stuff, BS. Small decal, not too much fat on here. There's a little hump right here, but that's cool. So we're gonna cook one of these this weekend.